Hello and welcome to today's training on how to export attribute table to Excel. So here we have our attribute table. You can see from what we did last time, this is our attribute table, and we are going to export it to Excel now. So you see we have the conversion function here. We wouldn't be needing this yet. So we come over to the attributes, we open it, and then you can see the attributes. All you need to do is come here and export it from here. So you export it from being a shapefile to a table. Yeah, that's what you just do. So we click yes, and then it has become a table. It's export output, so you can rename it however it's suited. From the icon, you can also see that it's now a table icon and no longer just a shapefile. So you can open it to see it. This is what the table looks like. Now that we have it in the form of the table, we can now go ahead to use this function here, just like I showed earlier, the conversion tool. So we go to Excel and then we convert from table to Excel. Yeah, because this is a table. So we go from table to Excel. All you need to do is impute it and then select it table function, and you can now have the name there. You can check this box to use the field as an alias, or you can also leave it however it is. Either one works. And you select a location, just change the name. You can use a name that suits you this time around. You can use Nigeria attribute since that's the name, or because we have something else like that, we can just change that and have Nigeria at here and then save it. Now you discover that it has been changed to an XLS file, so it has successfully converted from table to Excel, like you can see. So what we just need to do now is check our repository where the file was saved and look for it. So remember the name is Nigeria attribute, so we come down and there you go in Excel format. I hope you understand that. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to the channel.